There is a series of straight lines and points that can be drawn on every triangle. One of these important lines is the triangle altitudes, which is the straight line that goes through a vertex and is perpendicular to the line that contains its opposite side. This straight line here is one altitude of this triangle because it is perpendicular to the line that contains this side A and goes through the opposite vertex A. The three altitudes of a triangle always meet at a single point, called the triangle orthocenter. In order to find the altitude of side A, we have to draw a straight line that is perpendicular to side A and goes through vertex A, h sub A. In order to find the altitude of side B, we have to draw a straight line that is perpendicular to side B and goes through vertex B, h sub B. And in order to find the altitude of side C, we have to draw a straight line that is perpendicular to side C and goes through vertex C, h sub C. As we can see, the three altitudes meet at this point H, which is the triangle orthocenter. The orthocenter of a triangle will be inside the triangle if it is an acute triangle, outside the triangle if it is an obtuse triangle, and if it is a right triangle, the orthocenter will be on the vertex where the right angle is, that is, vertex A.